Hi everyone, welcome to LN News.
This is reporter Sheikh Sharia.
This is reporter Inchara. Today we are going to announce the winners of the daily activities.
Hi Inshara.
Hi Sharia.
So let's take a look at exciting events.
Come, let's start.
Inshara, on Monday we have conducted the quiz competition. What about it?
Yes Sharia, the quiz competition is success. All students participate in the competition.
Wow, it's wonderful. So let's congrats our winners. The winners are
Mini stars, third A, Tarun, Chetan, Hita, Charika, Dhruvan, class teacher Pushpa Arma. Second B, Vishal, Nikit, Namrata, Kushiram, Dhruvan, Sanvi, Trisha, class teacher Pushpa Keman.
Power Stars 5th B, Ganya K. Gowda, Hitashri P. Chirag, Harshika, class teacher Anita K. Ma'am.
Ellen stars 8A, Saif, Kunal, Atif, Trisha, class teacher Aisha Ma'am.
Inshara, on Tuesday we have conducted reading competition. How are our students performed?
Yes Sharia, our students performed very well.
Beautiful. Can you tell me the names of the winners, please?
Of course, Mini stars, third B, Sanvi R, class teacher Kanika Ma'am.
Power Stars 5th B, Tejas Gowda KM, class teacher Anita KT Ma'am. 5th A, Chandana, class teacher Ramesh K Ma'am.
Ellen stars 9th B, Sagar DH, class teacher Divya Ma'am. 8th B, Pavani, class teacher Chaitra P Ma'am.
Congratulations all of you.
So as we all know, we held the handwriting competition on Wednesday. What about that Sharia?
Yes, so the winners are, so from Mini Stars, 2nd B, Trisha, class teacher Pushpa K Ma'am. 3rd B, Bhavanya, class teacher Pushpa R Ma'am.
Power stars 4th B, Sanvika, class teacher Noor Sharma. 5th B, Janavi, class teacher Anita K. Ma'am.
LN Stars 9th B, Dhruti MS Gowda, class teacher Divya Ma'am. 8th A, Vinuta, class teacher Aisha Ma'am.
What about Thursday? There was a spelling competition, right?
Yes, but due to the Independence Day celebration, we have cancelled the activity of Thursday.
Okay, then on Friday there was Independence Day celebration, right?
Yes, so many students have participated in various activities like dancing, playing the musical instruments, and also giving a speech.
Yeah, I got it. The 7th girls had participated in dance and Pradyota Sinha from 8th B played violin, right?
Yes, also Shreya PM from 5th, Suman from 6th, Aditya from 7th, and Deepashri, our education minister, gave a small information about Independence Day.
May Lord Krishna shower his blessings on us and bring lots of happiness in our life.
So as we all know, on Saturday there was Krishna Janmashtami festival.
What was special in our school?
So our school KG students had wore the costume of Krishna and Radha.
All the students, teaching staff and non-teaching staff worship the Lord Krishna. In this way, we have celebrated Krishna Janmashtami in our school.
So another one thing, who didn't have won this time, don't worry, you have another chance to shine.
So today, this much only.
And stay tuned for more updates. Thank you all. Bye.
You are watching LN News.